Welcome to Alberto's Universe. Ascension Chronicles Part 9. Meditation. Quieting the chattering monkey. Next, let us look at mindful meditation. A 2012 study by Schreiner and Malcolm specifically looked at the effects of mindful meditation on depression, stress, and anxiety. Depression is the psychological disease for events that occurred in the past. Stress is all about the now. Anxiety is a psychological illness for the future events. The study found that 1. Meditation was very effective reducing these psychological illnesses. And 2. That its effectiveness increased with the severity of the disease. Meditation helps most those with the highest need. So, what is mindful meditation then? Well, to be mindful means to be conscious or aware of something. In essence, in mindful meditation, we look at our environment, at how it makes us feel. We do this while being in the now. When people say we need to stop and smell the roses, it's exactly this. We have no concern about what the past delivered or what the future promises. In a nutshell, we must mimic how dogs see life. You see, your dog has no plans, schedules, or goals. As a result, there are no failed plans, no failed schedules, and no failed goals. Your dog just embraces the now. Mindfulness is about the same. Mindful meditation is about embracing the now. Mindful meditation could be guided by someone who instructs what to focus on next. Still, we can also meditate alone. In mindful meditation, we acknowledge every part of our body, every piece of furniture and decoration in the room. And we also recognize the space itself. If we do mindful meditation outdoors, we acknowledge our body, our surrounding, and our emotional being as well. We can begin by acknowledging the chair we're sitting on. We can then express how we feel from sitting on such chair. You can make a list of the things that you wish to focus on ahead of time. That's it. This simple method is specifically proven to heal the 3 psychological illnesses. Magical indeed. Let us now move on to breathing. Did you know that the secret of life is to breathe? When we breathe, we bring oxygen into our lungs. There, oxygen is infused into our blood. Next, the blood carries oxygen to every single cell in the body. Let us remember that oxygen cleanses, oxygen kills organic material, oxygen can kill cells. The reason why we consume antioxidants is to protect ourselves from oxygen that is present in the wrong place or form. This means that the oxygen needs to be handled precisely during cell delivery. When this happens correctly, which is through the blood, oxygen is mixed with the fuel in each cell to create the energy that will keep cells operating properly. Just like car engines incorporate turbos and superchargers to provide more oxygen, to create more energy when mixed with the hydrocarbons, the fuel, so does your body benefit from more oxygen. When healthy, your body provides more oxygen to be mixed with the carbohydrates, not hydrocarbons, but carbohydrates, to create the power needed for cells to maximize their performance. Again, hydrocarbons for the car, carbohydrates for your body. Both require oxygen. Without oxygen, cells stop working and die. They run out of fuel. Again, the secret of life is to breathe. One of the areas of the body that really improves performance when well oxygenated is the limbic system, more especially the pineal gland. The same gland that acts like antenna that helps us connect to the universe and the Akashic records. The same gland performs better when oxygen is plentiful. This is why athletes experience an enhanced state of connection. As they exercise, their oxygenated pineal gland is in hyper mode. Through connection, we solve the most complex problems. We discussed this above. As we discussed on how memory works on part 7, it is the emotional part of the brain, not the rational one, that solves complex problems. We tune to the problem, and this tuning provides us with a key code to where to find the answer, which may come from any part in the universe. Oxygen is essential in this process. Therefore, meditation can be conducive to vivid visions. When we focus on breathing, it becomes easier to connect to the past, future, and distant locations across the universe. Premonitions, remote viewing, telepathy, creativity, and memory are all easier when we oxygenate our body. Breathing meditation is consequently one of my favorite meditation methods. It is simple. Again, we start by getting comfortable. We then breathe slowly and deeply. When inhaling, we hold the air in our lungs for an extra couple of seconds every time. We use all our lung capacity. We inhale, pushing the air deep into our stomach area. We hold. We then release slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Go deeply. Breathe out. Breathe in. Focus on each breath. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold it as long as you can. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. we maintain focus on each breath. We keep the session going for as long as we can. Anything from 5 minutes to half hour is possible because a breathing meditation places focus on each breath. It serves the purpose of quieting the chattering monkey inside. Moreover, it oxygenates the body, thus keeping ourselves healthy and maintaining a natural and balanced connection with the universe. To end, we will describe now humming meditation, which is a variation from breathing meditation. My main goal when planning this presentation was to help simplify the meditation process, to make it much simpler, make it less intimidating. It has always been my desire to democratize knowledge. I like to turn even complex insight into something that is within the grasp of anyone. A few years ago, as a business executive, I was under a lot of stress every day. As we have discussed, my stress was very much of my choosing. I was addicted to the hunt. I loved facing challenges. Yet, my body did not agree with the stress. That's when I began meditating. While I no longer suffer from stress, being that my life has changed enormously, I still find power meditation, short meditation sessions, in other words, to be quite effective. This is what humming meditation does. 5 minutes of it is incredibly powerful. While I still recommend meditating for longer sessions when possible, humming meditation helps your body oxygenate very quickly. Moreover, the vibration from the humming helps reset muscles and internal organs. Think of the humming resonance as a vibration from a massage chair. In humming meditation, we make ourselves comfortable. We clear our mind. We then inhale as deeply as possible. We hold as long as we can, and then exhale. Except that this time we exhale while humming through our chest. The sound should be as low in frequency as possible. This sound is what creates the deep vibration. We then repeat. Breathe in. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, go deep. Breathe in, hold it. Keep going. Meditate for as long as you can. Try sneaking at least a 5-minute session during busy and overwhelming days. Feel the rejuvenating effect. Well, I hope that this has demystified meditation for you. I wish for this section to inspire you to meditate daily. The health benefits are scientifically well documented. There are thousands of peer-reviewed scientific papers on this subject. Go to googlescholar.com whenever you wish to search for what scientific work says about meditation or anything else. Then, once you're convinced of the health benefits, make yourself ready for the magic. We were created in the image of God. Each of us has God-like abilities within. We are creative beings. We are capable of loving anyone and anything. Since our control system tries to hinder these abilities, it is up to us to reset our natural state. Meditation can help open the door to being in balance with our nature. Thank you.